Fuck you, fuck her, fuck him, fuck them, fuck this, fuck that, yeah, I choose me, yeah, I choose me, yeah. Fuck you, fuck her, fuck him, I choose me, yeah, I choose me. Fuck you, fuck her, fuck him, fuck this, fuck that, fuck me, yeah, fuck me, yeah. Sick of the life that I've been living in. Every night same shit, I wake up, head aching. Every light's too bright, now my eyes are burning. Why the fuck do I keep doing this stupid shit? It's like every time I try to put it down and walk away, I feel my back start to itch, and the voices in my head start to talk again, and the bugs on the wall start to crawl again. Everything I ran away from, I had to relive again. I'll get sober a year, then relapse. Get high as a kite and act like the world's biggest jackass. I'm stuck in this cycle, I think that I'm actually psycho. I got all of my rivals in the scope of my rifle. I'm ready for battle, I'm dying the dopest. Fuck you, fuck her, fuck him, fuck this, fuck that, fuck me, yeah, fuck me, yeah. Fuck you, fuck her, fuck him, fuck this, fuck me, yeah, fuck me, yeah. This dope got my head spinning, I feel like I'm dying inside, but my face grinning. I do line after line until I can feel the skin burn in the sunlight. I do another half gram, then I act surprised something doesn't feel right. I must be dead, cause this isn't what real life feel like. Everything I'm saying, the truest depression inside of me got me feeling the bluest. Anxiety has me disassociating so hard I don't even feel like a human. Coke lines and headaches lead to bills getting paid after the due dates. It's hard to think clear when you've been awake for 2 days straight. Hooked on white lines served up on dinner plates. Got you looking thin as fuck, trying to recollect the last time you even ate, but you can't remember cause you never sleep. So you go to bed and wake up and do it all again. I hate the way I'm living, it's changed the day. I just got off the phone with sobriety, she said me and her got a date. Fuck you, fuck her, fuck him, fuck this, fuck that, I choose me, yeah, I choose me, yeah. Fuck you, fuck her, fuck him, fuck this, fuck that, I choose me, yeah, I choose me, yeah.